Your secure member portal is your go-to resource where you can access details about your benefits, coverage, and member ID card, all in one place. In this video, we'll show you how to register and log in to your member portal for the first time. In your internet browser, type my.wellcare.com and click Enter. This will take you to the login page of our secure member portal. First, you will enter your email address and click Continue. If you already have an account, you will be prompted to enter your password. If you do not already have an account, you will be directed to create one. Create your account. Enter your first and last name as well as your language preference. Then click Continue. You will be asked to enter a verification code. We will send this code to the email you signed up with. Check your email to find the code. It will come from the email address no-reply@mail.entrykeyid.com. Do not close this window when you check your emails. If you do not see the verification code, please check your spam or junk mail folders. Once you have your verification code, enter it on your member portal login page. Then click Continue. Set password. Next, you will be asked to set your password. Enter a strong password with a minimum of 12 characters, including one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. Once complete, click Set Password. Your account should be successfully created. Click Continue to finish logging in. This will take you to the home page. Two-factor authentication. The next time you log in, you may be asked to add an extra security step to protect your account. This is called two-step verification. It simply means you will use 2 ways to prove it's really you when you sign in. This helps keep your information safe. Adding this extra security step is optional, but we recommend using the text message option since it is the easiest. With this option, you will receive a text message with a code that you enter when logging in. Whatever security method you choose, please make sure not to close out this window. Closing out this window will end this session and you will have to start over. If you do not want to add a second security method, click Ask Me Later. Register your health plan. The next step is the registration process. This is where you can create your profile for your health plan so that you can see your benefits, choose your PCP, view and download your member ID card, and more. Please keep in mind, you can only register for yourself one time, so make sure that all your information is correct. Register for yourself by clicking Add for Me, or if you're registering for someone else, click Add for someone else. You will be taken to a page where you can enter details to gain access to your health plan. Your last name should already be listed, but if you need to edit it, you can do so by clicking the pencil icon. Enter your member ID, date of birth, and zip code. Then click Continue. If successful, you will be directed to your home page. Home page. From this home page, you can see your plan information, including your coverage status, plan name, and a button that says Walk Through Your Plan. This walkthrough guide will help you choose a PCP, view and download your member ID card, and more. Our video Walk Through Your Plan will help guide you through this process. If you cannot register your health plan, please log out then log back in. If you still cannot access your health plan details, please call the number on your member ID card, TTY 711. We are here October 1st through March 31st from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and April 1st through September 30th, Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. After hours, weekends, and federal holidays, a messaging system is available. We hope this video has helped you successfully log in to your account.